This video focuses Introduction to Python Classes and Objects. By asking ChatGPT, Introduction to Python Classes and Objects, Object-Oriented Programming, with examples and code explanations, we can get the basic knowledge of Python classes and objects. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, is a programming paradigm centered around the concept of objects, which are instances of classes. It helps organize code in a way that models real-world entities, enabling easier code management, reuse, and organization. There are some key concepts in object-oriented programming. Class, a blueprint for creating objects, specific instances of a class. It defines attributes, data, and methods, functions, that the object will have. Object, an instance of a class. An object has the attributes and behaviors defined by its class. Attributes, variables that belong to the object, also called properties. Methods, functions defined inside a class that describe the behaviors of the object. Let's first take a look at example 1, a simple Python class. Let's create a basic class called dog to represent a dog. You can pay attention to the main points of this example. Class definition, class dog, defines a new class named dog. Constructor, the init method is a special method that runs as soon as an object of a class is instantiated. It initializes the attributes of the class. In this example, each dog object has 3 attributes, name, breed, and age. Methods. The description method returns a string describing the dog. The bark method simulates the dog barking. Object creation, my_dog equals dog, buddy, golden retriever. 3. Creates a new object, instance, of the dog class with the specified attributes. Accessing attributes and methods, my_dog.description, and my_dog.bark, call the methods of the dog object and print the results. Next, example 2, inheritance. Inheritance allows a class, child class, to inherit attributes and methods from another class, parent class. This promotes code reuse. As shown in the following example, you can find that class dog and class cat inherit attribute, name, and method, init, of class animal. Next, example 3, encapsulation. Encapsulation is the concept of restricting access to certain attributes or methods of an object. In Python, this is achieved using the convention of prefixing an attribute or method with an underscore, or double underscore, As shown in the following example, the person class creates a private attribute __age, and encapsulates the operation methods get_age and set_age corresponding to that attribute. Therefore, the object person of the person class should access __age through the method get_age, or modify __age through the method set_age. Next, example 4, polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. The most common example is method overriding, where a subclass provides its own version of a method from the parent class. As shown in the following example, class duck and class crow provides its own version of method sound from the parent class bird. Finally, let's take another look at the main feature of classes and objects. Classes define blueprints for creating objects. Objects are instances of classes. Key principles of OOP include encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. OOP helps in creating organized, modular, and reusable code.